In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Nifty 50 into your TradingView watchlist. This simple, yet incredibly useful skill allows you to keep a close eye on the Nifty 50 stocks all in one place, making your trading activities more efficient and streamlined. First things first, we need to get the list of Nifty 50 stocks. Fortunately, you can easily find this information on TradingView's Nifty Components page. Once you have accessed the web page, you will see a list of all the companies on the Nifty 50 index. Simply copy each stock symbol listed there. Remember, accuracy is key here, so ensure that you've got them all and that no symbols are missing. Next up, you'll need to format these symbols appropriately to prepare them for the import. Open a simple text editing program on your computer. Notepad is a great choice for this purpose since it saves files in plain text format by default. You'll want to paste each stock symbol on a separate line. This means once you paste the list, you should have one symbol per line, which is imperative for TradingView to recognize each one correctly when you import them. Once done, save this document as a .txt file. Name it something like Nifty 50 Watchlist, something that clearly identifies its content at a glance. Now let's move on to TradingView and make the import happen. Open up TradingView on your browser or app and direct your attention to the right-hand sidebar where you typically find your watchlist. If you don't already have a watchlist set up, don't worry. TradingView makes this process intuitive and easy to follow. At the top of the watchlist section, you will see its current name. Click on that name, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option that says Import List. This is your gateway to bringing in that file you just meticulously crafted. Clicking on this option will prompt you to locate and select the file from your computer. Navigate to where you saved your Nifty 50 Watchlist .txt file, select it, and confirm the upload. TradingView will then take care of the rest, importing all of the Nifty 50 symbols at once into your watchlist. And there you have it. Your watchlist now contains the Nifty 50 stocks, and you can start monitoring them right away with the tools and charts you love on TradingView. This setup not only saves time, but also ensures you don't miss out on important stock movements because everything's in one spot. Keep this video handy whenever you want to refresh your list, and happy